Hey there, space enthusiasts! Today, let's dive into a recent cosmic close call and the fascinating world of asteroid tracking. You might have heard the news: the Moon is safe from a potential asteroid impact in 2032. But what's the story behind this? Is it all smooth sailing from here? So, a few years back, Asteroid 2024 YR4 had everyone on the edge of their seats. Initially, scientists estimated a 3.1% chance of it hitting Earth, which is pretty scary. But then, they realized it was more likely to hit the Moon, with a 4.3% chance. Talk about a close shave. Imagine the Moon getting hit and all the lunar debris flying around, messing with our satellites. It's like a cosmic game of dodgeball, and we're the ones trying not to get hit. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Scientists weren't sure they'd be able to confirm the asteroid's path until 2028. But, thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, they managed to track this incredibly faint object. Can you believe it? It's like finding a needle in a haystack, but in space. This just shows the power of our advanced telescopes and the dedication of astronomers worldwide. Personally, I find it reassuring that we have the technology to track these potential threats. As Professor Snodgrass points out, we might get more brief scares, but we're also getting better at ruling them out quickly. It's like having a cosmic security system in place. The European Space Agency's Planetary Defense Team is on it, making sure we're not caught off guard. But here's a thought: what if we hadn't had the James Webb Telescope? Would we have been left in the dark until 2028? This raises questions about our reliance on advanced technology and the importance of investing in space exploration. We're talking about the safety of our planet and its satellites, after all. In my opinion, this whole situation highlights the delicate balance between the vastness of space and the precision of science. It's a constant game of prediction and observation. And while we can breathe a sigh of relief for now, who knows what the future holds? The universe is full of surprises, and it's our job to keep watching and learning. So, stay tuned, because the cosmic adventure never ends.